If you are a Canva user, this video is going to blow your mind. Canva always upgrade themselves once in a quarter. And if you are a creator or small business owner, Canva has a lot to give you. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 amazing Canva AI features that you never knew existed. And that's for completely free. You can get so much more done with Canva AI with just a couple of clicks. Let me show you how it works. Number 1 is AI music. Now you have to come to canva.com and you have to create a design here. Let's just go with the Instagram post. And now here you have to go to this app section and look for AI music. Now this application right here will help you to create AI fresh music. Now what you have to do, basically this application is asking you for the genre and the type of your music that you want. Now you have to just select the types that your music sound like and it will just compose the music for us. Let me just select the types. Let's go with dreamy, epic, cinematic, serious, mysterious, dramatic, and some more. Okay. Now we have to just compose it here. Now this application right here will give me the fresh AI music for completely free. Now this application here just give me 30 seconds of AI fresh music. Let's just listen to it. Now you can refine your music parameters here, that if you want to keep it relaxed or intense, if you want to keep it slow or fast, dark or bright, whatever you want, you can adjust it. Even you can set the duration here, like how much length of duration music that you want. And we have got from 5 to 300 seconds of limit. Now this is right here will help you a lot for a creator or for the people who want copyright free music. Now they can just compose their own music and use it wherever they want. Now second feature is Magic Write. Now if you want to find that function, you have to go to docs, and in docs you have to click here at doc. Okay, now here you can write whatever you want the paragraph to be about. First you have to click on this plus icon and click on Magic Write. Let's just say generate. Now Magic Write will give me the summary of the book that I written here. If I want to add something more, so I can add it, or say generate. Now this is basically giving me all the lessons from that particular book called Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco. And this is how exactly you can do. And like if you are not happy with this particular response, you can do retry as well, or else if you are happy you can just insert here. Okay, then if I'm going further here and if I'm clicking on this particular icon, I will get a lot of functions here. Like I can design, I can add one more heading here, I can add body, I can add tables, I can add bullet points, I can add pie charts, bar chart, line chart, emoji. The list is going on, and by using all these things you can create your fully fledged documents with the help of Magic Write in Canva AI. So go check it out, this feature. Now the third AI feature is Magic Media. Now you have to again come to create design. Just create a design. Let's just go with the Instagram post once again, and now you have to just scroll down here and you will find this Magic Media. So basically, if I'm saying honestly, Magic Media is just you got the access to DALL-E and OpenAI Sora, because now you can able to create images and videos with the help of prompt in the Canva AI itself. Now let me show you how it works. You have to go to the images, you can create graphics, you can create videos here. Let's just go with the graphics and say guy with laptop in coffee shop, and just click any of them. You have got multiple styles here. You can have got hand-drawn, 3D, vintage, sticker. If you can click here, you will get multiple functions here. Let's just go with the scrapbook and create generate graphic. It will just take a couple of seconds and will create a graphic for us. Okay, so these are the 4 results that Canva AI's Magic Media are given to me, and now have to decide to select one of them. Okay, so this is looking good. Please do let me know in the comment section which one is looking best according to you. And if I'm just trying to zoom in it here, now this is looking very nice. I can use this image in my design, and this is how it basically works. Yeah, you can create graphic. Okay, so let's just go with the videos now. and describe here a plane taking off from runway. Now this particular feature is powered by Runway. It means the prompt that we given to this Canva AI is just given to Runway, and from Runway itself we are getting the results for completely free. By the way, Runway is the paid platform, but now I can create videos in the Canva for completely free of cost. Now this result is here given by AI to me. Now this is almost looking realistic, and now I can create videos like this in Canva AI. Now you have to try out this feature and basically leverage this particular feature and create amazing designs in Canva. Now the fourth AI feature is professional AI photos. Now you can able to generate that professional profile photos with the help of AI. Let me show you how that you can do. You have to just go to profile photo application here, and now you have to just select if you are a male or female, and you have to just upload a photo here. Let's just say if I'm going to my YouTube channel, and if I'm going to my profile pics and selecting this one, and let's go with the generate. Let's see what it will create. So this is the picture that I have got after generation here. So you can also create your own professional photos with the help of this application that Canva AI has got, and use this application and create professional photos for your LinkedIn account. Now the last but not the least Canva AI feature is bit syncing. Now you can do bit syncing in Canva while creating and while editing the videos. For that you have to create a music. I previously showed you that I can create music with the help of music AI. So let me just create some music here. Okay. And okay, so let's compose the music here. And when you get this music option here, you can sync the bit here as well. So let's just wait for the composing of music. So here we have got the music, and this is what our music and video we have got. So now what we have to do is we have to click on this music here, and you can get this option called bit sync. Now here you have to just display bit sync markers, and it will automatically create a bit markers and just sync your video with your audio. And as you can see, this will just automatically adjust according to the bits that I have. You can see here these are the bit markers, and it just synced my video with my beats. So this is a bit sync feature, will help you a lot, and it just came handy when you have to edit videos in a less amount of time and you have to submit it urgently. So you can use this kind of tools and these kind of AI feature to complete your task in less amount of time. So these are the 5 amazing Canva AI features that you need to use today, which is completely free of cost. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question about Canva AI, please do let me know in the comment section. If you watched this video completely, then just write in the comment section that I watched till the end. I'm calling in Canva expert on our channel. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe to this channel. Share this video with friends of yours and tag me on social at prathameshpisar2315. I will catch you, all of you guys, in the next one. This is Prathamesh Pisar, signing off.